What would you do with $1 billion? Private islands? Mega yachts? A fleet of hypercars? For most billionaires, $1 billion is lifestyle fuel. But for Elon Musk, it's rocket fuel. Because when Musk gets access to capital, he doesn't just spend it. He deploys it. And the difference between spending and deploying is exactly what makes his lifestyle different from almost every other billionaire on Earth. Today, we break down how Elon Musk spends $1 billion and why almost none of it looks like traditional luxury. First, you need to understand something important. Elon Musk's wealth is not cash sitting in a bank account. The majority of his net worth is tied to stock, primarily Tesla shares. Which means when we talk about spending $1 billion, we are often talking about selling stock, reinvesting capital, funding expansion, and backing innovation. Unlike billionaires who diversify into art, sports teams, and massive property portfolios, Musk historically concentrated risk. When Tesla was near collapse in 2008, Musk reportedly put almost all his remaining capital into saving the company. That's not luxury spending. That's survival-level risk. If Elon Musk allocates $1 billion today, a large portion could go directly into expanding Tesla. Gigafactories cost billions to build. Battery research costs billions. AI infrastructure for self-driving systems requires enormous capital. One factory expansion alone can consume over $1 billion in equipment, land, robotics, and scaling logistics. Instead of buying a $100 million mansion collection, he builds production capacity. Instead of investing in luxury hotels, he invests in lithium supply chains. This is capital expenditure at scale. And it's aggressive. Because every billion deployed into Tesla increases long-term production capacity, which increases future revenue, which increases valuation. It's a compounding strategy. Now let's talk about SpaceX. Rocket development is brutally expensive. A single launch can cost tens of millions. Research and development costs can run into the billions annually. When Musk invests heavily into SpaceX, he's funding Starship development, satellite networks, launch facilities, and Mars mission planning. Colonizing Mars is not a marketing slogan. It's a capital-intensive objective. And if you gave Elon Musk an extra $1 billion tomorrow, there's a strong chance it would accelerate aerospace engineering, not yacht customization. While some billionaires buy islands, Musk is trying to reach another planet. Now let's address the obvious. Yes, Elon Musk uses private jets. Private aviation can cost $60 to $70 million for the purchase price, plus millions annually in fuel and operations. Critics point to this as luxury excess. But here's the context. When you run multiple global companies simultaneously, time becomes the most valuable asset. A commercial flight wastes time. A private jet protects schedule efficiency. For Musk, the jet isn't about champagne in the sky. It's about compressing time. Time equals leverage. And leverage equals growth. At one point, Musk owned multiple California mansions worth over $100 million combined. Then he sold most of them. That move shocked people. Why would a billionaire reduce his property footprint? Because unlike traditional wealth preservation strategies, Musk prefers liquidity and flexibility. He has stated publicly that he wants fewer material possessions. Compared to other tech leaders with massive property empires, Musk's lifestyle is surprisingly restrained. He does not showcase mega yacht parties. He does not dominate luxury fashion headlines. His public spending patterns are business-heavy, not lifestyle-heavy. Here's where things get intense. When Musk deploys capital, it often goes into high-risk innovation, neural interface research, autonomous driving AI, next-generation battery systems, underground transportation tunnels. These are not safe, conservative investments. They are volatile, visionary, and extremely expensive. $1 billion in traditional wealth might buy security. $1 billion in Musk's hands buys uncertainty, with the potential for exponential upside. This is asymmetric risk-taking. And it's rare. Most billionaires protect capital. Musk repeatedly risks it. So does Elon Musk live comfortably? Yes. Is he wealthy beyond imagination? Absolutely. But if you analyze where the bulk of his billion-dollar allocations go, it's rarely toward visible luxury. It's toward infrastructure, engineering, manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and space exploration. His spending philosophy appears aligned with legacy over lifestyle. Not consumption. Construction. Not comfort. Creation. If Elon Musk received $1 more billion today, He likely wouldn't buy another mansion. He likely wouldn't buy a super yacht. He would probably build another factory, fund another AI breakthrough, or accelerate Starship development. Because for Elon Musk, $1 billion is not a trophy. It's a tool. And in his world, money isn't meant to be admired. It's meant to be deployed. If you want more deep dives into how the world's richest individuals allocate capital, subscribe to our channel. Because understanding how billionaires spend teaches you how empires are built. Thanks for watching.